In this video, I will show you how to convert BNB to USDT in Binance Web3 wallet. So first up, after you open up your Binance Web3 wallet, go to Assets. So after you go to Assets, from this option, now select the BNB. After you select the BNB, now go to this option, Swap. So after you select the swap, now here is the BNB. So the next thing to do now, tap on this option now and select USDT if it doesn't give you the USDT. So just search for USDT from this option. Search USDT. After you search for the USDT like this, so here is it now, select this one. So select this one. After you select the USDT, so now type in the amount of the BNB you want to convert to USDT. Let's say I want to convert 0.5 amount of your BNB. Here is it now. So if you have the balance of the BNB, so from there, here it will give you the amount of the USDT you'll be receiving by converting this amount of the BNB, and then you just tap on this confirm or continue button. So because now I don't have the amount of the BNB in my wallet, that's why now it give me this insufficient BNB balance. So if you have the amount of the BNB, just tap on the confirm or continue button. So from there, your BNB will be converted or will be swapped into USDT in the Binance Web3 wallet. And that's it. If this video helps, like and subscribe.